Morning news today. Now, former apartheid-era security policeman João Rodrigues has made a brief appearance in the South Gauteng High Court. Covering that story for us today, reporter Khayelihle Khumalo goes back to the Ahmed Timol case. What charges is he facing?
Well, Jeremy is facing a murder charge and defeating the ends of justice. So far, it's 2 counts. And we understand the very significance of this particular case, Jeremy, the very far-reaching implications, especially in as far as those cases are concerned, where a lot of people died mysteriously during the apartheid. So in this particular instance, once again, it's this very one of those cases. But in terms of the proceedings today, it was very short, right at the South Gauteng High Court. But there was a very sense of disquiet from Judge Monama, saying that he will not be taking the delaying tactics because in as far as the trial hearing is concerned, today Mr. Rodrigues was supposed to submit an application for stay of prosecution. That's where he's talking about his age, saying that he's old, and I mean this really happened a long time ago, and he's still really sticking to his version of saying, look, Timol actually fell, notwithstanding what we had from the North Gauteng High Court, where it was very clear that actually somebody pushed him.
Did he say anything today?
Well, he was very quiet. He was very quiet in court, and I mean, he appeared very frail, Jeremy, walking around, using the crutches, really trying to avoid the media spotlight. So the Judge Monama is the only one who got an opportunity, really saying that the defense team should make sure that they get their ducks in a row, so that come the 22nd of October, they have this application, and so they should make sure that they file the application just before Friday.
No conditions changing in terms of his bail?
Well, at this rate, Jeremy, nothing of that sort at this rate. So he's still out in the 2,000 Rand bail.
And members of the Timol family?
From their side, Jeremy, they're still sticking to their guns as well. They're saying he needs to tell the truth. And also they're going as far as saying, look, if he's really his application for a stay of prosecution succeeds, where he won't be trialed, but he must really disclose. So they want a full disclosure of the circumstances as to really what happened on that fateful day. But of course, Jeremy, the most coincidence here is that on the 22nd of October, when he appears again in court, that's the actual day in the 70s when Timol was actually taken into the custody, and he never came out alive.
Isn't that extraordinary? Khayelihle Khumalo, thank you very much indeed.